Do you ever feel held back by pain or stiffness? Is it keeping you from doing something you love? I've got amazing news for you, something called MELT method. MELT is a fun and easy self-care technique that can help you relieve pain, boost your performance, and feel fantastic overall. If you've had chronic pain that you've been dealing with for a long time or a new injury, Melt can work for both of those cases. It's designed to rehydrate your connective tissue, rebalance your nervous system, and this starts your body's natural healing abilities. We use super fun instruments, rollers, soft balls, and techniques to target the areas of tension and discomfort that are playing a part in keeping you from doing what you love. This also just makes you feel really relaxed and promotes healing all over your body. In basically just a few minutes a day with the MELT tools and techniques, you can balance your nervous system, rehydrate your connective tissue, and just feel better. And this is something you can do in your own home. If you're interested in knowing more about MELT, we have a special offer right now, $25 off your first session. Don't miss out.